In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Loop and Teams made better together. By the end, you'll know exactly how to drop a live, collaborative Loop component into a chat or channel so everyone can contribute in real time, right where the conversation is happening. Start by opening Microsoft Teams. You can use the desktop app or a web browser. Either way works the same here. Once Teams is open and you're signed in, head to the place where you want people to collaborate. That can be a private one-on-one chat, a group chat, or a channel post in a team. Choose the space that makes the most sense for your audience and the kind of input you need. In the message area at the bottom, look just below the text box for the loop components icon. It usually looks like a small loop or swirl. If your window is narrow, you might need to expand the compose bar to see it. If you still don't see it, your organization may have it disabled, so check with your admin. Before you click that icon, make sure the text box is completely empty. This matters because Teams creates the loop component as its own message. If you've already typed something, that text won't be inside the component and it can cause confusion or break the flow you're trying to set up. Now click the loop components icon and choose a component type that fits your scenario. A table is great for structured data, like priorities and owners. A checklist helps you capture quick to-dos. A task list is perfect when you want to track progress over time. And a voting table is handy when you need a clear decision with simple tallies. Pick the one that best matches the kind of input you want from the group. Add your initial text or data into the component to set the tone. Use clear headers for columns, concise item names, and brief notes so others know exactly how to contribute. A little structure up front goes a long way. Define what each column means, add a few sample rows or items, and keep the formatting simple and consistent. When you're ready, click Send in a chat or Post in a channel. Your loop component appears directly in the thread, and everyone there can edit it in line at the same time. You'll see updates appear instantly with contributor cursors and highlights, so it's obvious who's doing what. No attachments, no version chaos, just one living component everyone builds together. That's it. You opened Teams, chose the right space, inserted a loop component, seeded it with clear content, and posted it for real-time collaboration. Try it for meeting agendas, planning checklists, lightweight task tracking, or quick decision tables to keep work moving.